This meal with a low carb smash burger and Brussels sprout chips are going to help you save money, plus be ready to show off your muscles and fat loss at the pool next spring. Let's ride. You're going to start off by seasoning your burgers, and you can't go wrong with SPOG. Press the seasoning into the meat and set it aside to percolate. I season mine like this because my ancestors are watching over my shoulder. Next, you're going to cut off the booties of your Brussels sprouts and peel the leaves away, and put them leaves into a bowl and add in oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and if you like your food like a McDonald's Sprite, add in red pepper flakes. Then you're gonna toss that all together. Once evenly coated, you're gonna take your Brussels sprouts and then spread them on a baking sheet evenly in one layer and place in the oven at 425 until they're crispy and crunchy. And then put your burgers on the grill and smash them down to the best of your ability. After a few minutes of doom scrolling TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, flip your burgers over and they should have a nice brown crust on them, like a carpet burn on your knees after having a breakdance battle with your cousins at your grandma's house. And that carpet burn hurt like a mug, but a young Paleo giant had to step up. You get it? Step up like the movie series? No? Nobody? Dang, tough crowd. Anywho, it's time to start building a burger. I go lettuce, meat, cheese, honey mustard, meat, honey mustard, cheese. Can't forget my favorite ingredient, and sing it with me if you know what my favorite ingredient is. It's onions. Yeah. And then we add tomato. Now here comes the easy part, which is folding the lettuce around the burger. But the hardest part for me was wrapping the paper around the burger, because I never worked in the fast food industry at all. So I had to speed this up by 300% because this took me so long to do. Or if you want me to tell you what my first job was, go in the comment section and put Paleo Giant, how did you pay for that big bag? And if I get 100 likes on this video, I'll do a story time on how I almost lost my job before I even started my first day. But look at that. I don't know about y'all, but I'm about to eat.